everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well today. I have another video for my recreation series where I focus on recreating a beauty influencer, a celebrity, makeup artist, anyone's makeup look that I am inspired by and I absolutely love. Today I'm doing Katy Perry. I'm so excited for this one. So I had a little stalk on her Instagram recently because she's one person that I know does really cool creative looks for her concerts and stuff, and I found this makeup look which I absolutely love. The googly eyes are so cool. I've not really seen anything like it before, so I thought I would recreate this today for you guys because it looks super fun. So let's get going. I'm going to do something a little bit different in this video because I tend to put music over the whole of the tutorial, but I've already got my base on, my brows on, so hopefully the rest of the makeup won't take too long to do. So I thought I would talk you through it. I know a couple of you guys have been commenting on my videos recently, asking me to chat a bit more, so I'm giving it a go. However, I will be putting music over the little bits of application in between, just because otherwise it's really hard to create a cut down Instagram video when my mouth is moving. I don't really like those, so yeah. Anyway, let's get going. I'm going to start with doing my eyes. Now I've got this new Dream with a Vision palette from Makeup Obsession. Love their stuff. It's super affordable and super pigmented, and also their packaging is always so cute. So when you open it up, you will see all of these amazing shades. Love it. And I'm going to be using the shade Dreamy today. Now, Katy Perry has only got the pink kind of in the cut crease and underneath her eye, so that is where I'm going to be applying the Dreamy shade. So impressed with that. It's so pigmented and it was really easy to blend. Right, now I'm going to take a slightly thinner brush now. I'm using the brushes from Spectrum. This is A07, just so I can get right underneath my eye. And again, going to be using the shade Dreamy. Like so. It's looking super cute already. Also, I love how I've worn this pink animal print top. It matches the colour so well. This is from ASOS. It also comes with a matching skirt. I didn't get that though, just got the top, but the skirt is super cute as well. Next up, I'm going to be using a black kohl liner for just going on the inner part of my eye there, just on the waterline. Now I'm going to be using the La Roche-Posay Toleriane black pencil for this. Now this is a brand new pencil, so when I use a brand new one, I like to just kind of rub it on my skin first, on my hand, just so I can get into that colour on the nib. And now I'm ready to apply. Like so. And then next up, we are going to be doing a wing liner. So L'Oreal have brought out a new eyeliner called Flash Cat's Eye by Superliner. It is this here, and you're probably wondering what the hell this is on the end. Well, you pull it out, and it is basically a little mini stencil, which is so cute. I've not actually tried this before, so I'm eager to test it out in this video. And it is a felt tip nib, which is one of my favourites to use. I feel like you get much more of a precision line, and yeah. This is also waterproof as well. That is the Feline Flicks done. I have to say, this was actually really good. I did struggle with the stencil, but that's purely because when I film my videos, I have to hold a mirror. So that was really hard not having a mirror and just trying to look at my reflection in the camera because it's not a close-up. So yeah, using the stencil was a struggle for me, but I think if I actually had a mirror and I was using it properly and right up close, it would probably be really, really good. It kind of worked better on this one, but it's kind of great to just have a bit of an outline and then kind of add to it, because I do prefer my flicks to be a little bit longer. But yeah, actually using the liner on this part of the flick was super easy. I was able to do like a thin line and then build it up. It was smooth, it was really easy to use, and it was a very, very soft felt tip, so it kind of like, it's very flexible, so when you moved with the liner, kind of moved the shape of your eye rather than being quite stiff. Yeah, really, really like that though. Next up, I'm going to be using a mascara. Now, a brand new one. I've not used this one before. I think in this video I'm pretty much using all new products apart from a few. So this is the Marc Jacobs primer, and then this is the Marc Jacobs Noir Volume Mascara. So you apply the primer first and then you pop on the mascara. I have tried the YSL primer and mascara and I absolutely love it. You guys probably saw me do a little Instagram video on it recently. So this one, again, is like a pinky nude shade. So the primers tend to be those sorts of colours. And then you pop on the mascara afterwards. So let's give it a go. Hello lashes. Wow, I'm impressed. They are super long. That's really pushed them up, and also it's like really separated them as well. They don't look too clumpy, like I could get away without tweezering them like I normally do. Really impressed. Wow, nice. Now I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mascara to the bottom of my lashes. So the main part of my eyes are done now. I just need to stick the googly eyes on, but I'm gonna do that last. Instead, I'm gonna be moving on to my cheeks and my highlights. I'm gonna be using the Lottie London Blush Crush Powder Blusher, and I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Diamond Fire Highlighter. Love this. Look how iridescent it is. Oh, it's a unicorn highlighter. Moving on to my lips, and Katy Perry wears like a really nice kind of hot pink. So I'm going to be taking the new L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature shades in I Speak Up and I Rebel. So I've got like a really hot pink, but in her picture she's sort of wearing a slightly dark hot pink, so I'm going to mix it with this one and hopefully we have a beaut shade. So that worked really, really well. I put the I Rebel shade on first, and then I put the I Speak Up hot pink shade on last. And yeah, I feel like I've achieved pretty much similar colour to what Katy Perry's wearing in the picture. Now it's time for the fun bit, the googly eyes. So I went to my local craft shop to get the googly eyes. So I went to The Range. Love The Range. They have so many amazing jewel and embellishment bits that you can use with glue to stick on, or these are actually stickers, which is super handy. So in the packet we've got like really little mini ones and large ones, which is exactly what Katy Perry wears. So let's get applying the googly eyes. the finished look. I think I could have done with smaller googly eyes, if I'm honest, because Katy Perry's ones are like super small, and then she's got these medium sized ones. I only had like these medium ones and then kind of like these smallish ones. But I feel like I did a pretty good recreation. What do we think? I feel like this is like a really funky festival look. I mean, it's very creative and quirky. Not sure you wear this out. For a festival though, I think you could get away with it. Or I mean, like Katy Perry had got away with it on stage. But what do we think? Do the googly eyes move? Not really. So funny. Yeah, I feel like the little ones would have worked a lot better here, like if I could have got tiny ones, but I reckon I probably would have had to have gone on eBay for it or something. But yeah, what do you guys think of this recreation look? I feel like I did a pretty good job. Yeah, not sure I'd ever probably wear this look out again, but I definitely would use the googly eye stickers for maybe like a festival look, or yeah, don't know, maybe like Halloween or something. That'd be really cool for. So yeah, I definitely will utilise the googly eyes in some more makeup looks soon. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed this video and watching me use some new products. I'll pop links below for you so you can shop and check out everything that I used. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in another video here very soon. Peace out.